What's going on, everyone? Today is Thursday, January 28th, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how I track prep my Challenger here. So first off, I guess I'll just start by going over some of the mods I've done to the car already. So I guess we'll start up front here. So this has a Stage 2 HRT cam. I got the whole cam kit. I've made videos on it in the past. Yeah, the full cam kit with upgraded valve train, new lifters and push rods. The whole 9 on that. I got this Air Raid intake and this Holley Sniper intake manifold with Hellcat throttle body. It came with the fuel rails. Other than that, it's just stock fuel system, stock pump, stock lines, everything like that. So still on pump gas, on 93. What else we got? So we have some Stainless Works long tube headers. I don't know if you can see down in there, probably not. It's the 1 7/8 headers, I believe. The 3-inch collector. What else do we got? I think that should be all of the engine mods. This is the auto car. It's the Mag 1 transmission, the 5-speed. I'm still on stock rear end, the open diff. I think it's a 306. So hopefully we don't have any issues with spinning one tire, but that is all the actual performance mods. So the last time I actually went to the track, I guess I was unprepared. I was on my street tires. I had full weight in the car. Really just not. I didn't let the car perform to like its max potential, I guess. So this video I'm just showing you how I prep the car for track day. Hopefully tomorrow. There's first track day of the year near me. So in this video I'm going to be putting my drag tires on that I've recently got. I'll show you guys here. I got me some Hoosiers. These are 28 by 11.5 on a 17. In order to make these fit, I had to get let's see if you guys can see, had to get some shortened sway bar end links back here. Let me see. You can see those right there. You can't really see. But in order to, because if not, you can use the stock sway bar, you just have to get shorter links. If not, it'll rub on the inside of the barrel here and ruin your nice race stars. Actually, I forgot to mention, I do have Eibach. I think it's Sportline, or it's one of the two. It's the most aggressive drop on this car. So I forgot to mention that in my mods, but so it makes it rides a lot stiffer, or the suspension's a lot stiffer with these springs in it. So that should provide a better launch. So I think I'll get the car jacked up now, and I'll get these tires on. Now that I have the rear end in the air, it gives you a better view of these end links here. There's black ones right there, and then also my Eibach springs. So I got the wheels on. As you can see, that's finished. Now I'm on to getting some weight reduction. So I'm planning on taking out the spare as well as the jack that comes in the car. And I'm also going to be taking out my passenger seat. I think the passenger seat weighs about 80 pounds, maybe less, probably 70. Weighs quite a bit, and it's not that hard to take it out. So let's get this out of here. Alright guys, I was a little curious, and as you guys can see, this spare alone weighs almost 40 pounds. So, getting the spare as well as the jack out of there saves me about probably 50 pounds or so alone. And then I'm gonna get to the passenger seat now, and then I'm gonna see how much that weighs too. Alright guys, so now the passenger seat's out. I'm just holding by 4 bolts here. They are E-Torx. I think it's an E10. Alright. Yeah. She's holding by 4 E10s. They're pretty tight on there. Just make sure you get the... This has heated seats, so one's the heated seats, one's the airbags. Just disconnect those. And it's just these, and the seat along with the bracket all comes out in one piece. And then now would be a good time to clean up in here. Got just dog hair and every other little thing, some receipts. So I'll clean that up. But first I want to weigh this seat, see how much it is. And then I just weighed myself holding the seat. It's the best way I could find. It's kind of hard to put the brackets and get them on this. So with myself and the seat, it weighed 253.2. So I'll weigh myself real quick. And I'm 197.6. So about, what, 56 pounds this seat. I said 80 earlier, but almost 60 pounds plus 50. So with these, it took me about 10 minutes, 15 minutes maybe. And we saved 110 pounds from the car. So now, after I get it all cleaned up inside the cabin, the car is officially race ready. I'll try to make a video about my track day tomorrow. And we'll see how much I've improved since my last time. About this time last year, I went to the track. I was still stock. Engine pretty much just, I had the air raid on there and the tune. And I had full weight in the car. So now I have an extra 80 horsepower. Dropped 110 pounds on a much better tire. So last time, I'll try to include the time slip again. I think I ran a 13.9 as my best. I'm really not sure what to expect with the more power and less weight. Yeah, I really don't know at all what I'm gonna do. Maybe high 12s, maybe. If I could hit a 12.9, maybe, I don't know. Again, I'm not sure what to expect. I made a lot of changes, so I'm not entirely sure what the result's gonna be, but I'll make a video on it and I'll let you guys know. But that is it for today, and peace out.